In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom domain in Nexcess with an easy setup. First off, let's get you logged into your Nexcess client portal. Head over to the Nexcess website and enter your login credentials. Once you're inside, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is where all the management of your services will happen. Next, click on Go to Plans, and from there, select the site where you'd like to add a custom domain. Don't worry about getting lost here. Each site will be clearly displayed so you can easily identify the one you want. Once you've selected your site, click Open Your Site Dashboard. This dashboard allows you to make changes and oversee everything related to your specific site's setup and performance. On the left-hand menu, you'll see various options. Look for and click on Domains. This section is dedicated purely to domain management. Now, to add your custom domain, you'll want to click Add Domain. This step is crucial because it's the beginning of linking your unique domain to your Nexcess hosting. After clicking to add a domain, you'll be prompted to enter your custom domain name. This is where you input your specific website address, maybe something like yourwebsite.com. After you've entered your domain, confirm it by hitting Add Domain to save your entry. This ensures it's registered within your Nexcess account. Now, onto an important part, copying the IP address shown under the DNS info section. You'll need this IP for the next step, so keep it handy. With the IP address copied, navigate to your domain registrar. Popular ones include GoDaddy and Namecheap, but it will work similarly on any registrar you use. Once at your domain registrar, it's time to update your domain's DNS settings. Specifically, you're going to update the A record to point to the Nexcess IP address you copied earlier. This tells the internet where your domain is hosted. After entering the correct IP, save your DNS changes. Be aware that DNS propagation can take a few hours, so patience is key. You'll want to wait until your DNS changes have fully propagated throughout the internet. After your DNS changes have taken effect, head back to the Nexcess client portal and click Verify Domain. This check confirms that your domain is properly connected to your Nexcess hosting. Once verified, your custom domain will be live, letting the world see your website while hosted on Nexcess. And that's it! By following these steps, you'll have successfully linked your custom domain to Nexcess, making your online presence unique and accessible. If you encounter any roadblocks, remember that Nexcess support is just a click away, providing additional guidance if needed. Happy hosting!